Hey everyone, if Penpot Sync is not working, your changes aren't updating, or collaboration updates are delayed, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to restore proper syncing in Penpot. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sync issues often happen when your connection drops or becomes unstable. Next, refresh the page and reopen your project. Yeah, temporary session glitches can stop syncing from updating properly. Sometimes syncing is just delayed. I mean, large projects or heavy edits can take a few seconds to update across devices. If you have Penpot open in multiple tabs or devices, it can sometimes cause conflicts. So, close extra sessions and keep only one active window. Corrupted browser data can break sync behavior. Clearing cache and cookies may help restore proper synchronization. Some extensions, especially privacy tools or script blockers, can interfere with real-time syncing. Yeah, try disabling them temporarily. If syncing still isn't working, open Penpot in another browser. This helps identify whether the issue is browser-related. Make sure your browser is updated, so outdated versions can cause synchronization and performance issues. Sometimes sync issues are caused by server-side problems. If Penpot is undergoing maintenance or experiencing outages, you may need to wait until it's resolved. If nothing works, contact Penpot support. They can investigate synchronization issues and help restore real-time syncing. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Penpot sync issues and get your updates working properly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.